Have you ever wondered what exactly happens when a heart fails? It's a question that may seem straightforward, but the answer is a complex interplay of biology, physics, and chemistry. Heart failure is a common yet serious condition that affects millions of people across the globe. At its core, heart failure is a condition where the heart, which is essentially a muscular pump, becomes weak or rigid. This weakness or stiffness prevents it from pumping blood as efficiently as it should. When this happens, the rest of the body doesn't receive the oxygen and nutrients it needs to function optimally, leading to a wide range of symptoms and eventually, heart failure. Understanding the science behind heart failure is not just academically interesting, it's also crucial for prevention and treatment. By comprehending how and why heart failure occurs, we can better equip ourselves to combat this pervasive issue. That's the basic idea, but let's delve deeper into the process. To understand heart failure, first, we need to comprehend how a healthy heart functions. Picture your heart as a bustling metropolis with 4 distinct regions or chambers. The upper 2, the atria, receive incoming traffic, or in this case, blood. The lower 2 chambers, the ventricles, handle the outflow. Now imagine a well-coordinated dance. The right atrium accepts oxygen-poor blood returning from the body and sends it to the right ventricle, which pumps it to the lungs for a fresh supply of oxygen. Simultaneously, the left atrium receives this rejuvenated, oxygen-rich blood from the lungs and passes it to the left ventricle, the powerhouse, which pushes this life-sustaining fluid to every tissue throughout your body. This intricate process of contraction and relaxation, this rhythmic ebb and flow of blood, is what keeps us alive and kicking. So a healthy heart maintains this rhythm. But what happens when things go wrong? Now that we understand how a healthy heart works, let's examine what happens during heart failure. Heart failure doesn't mean that your heart has stopped working altogether. Think of it more like a gradual decline in your heart's ability to pump blood efficiently throughout your body. Over time, the heart muscle weakens, making it harder for your heart to meet your body's demand for oxygen and nutrients. This decline can happen in one of 2 ways, or sometimes both. Firstly, the heart could struggle to fill with enough blood. Imagine trying to fill a water balloon with a small hole in it. No matter how much water you put in, it's never going to be fully inflated. Similarly, a weakened heart struggles to fill up with the blood it needs to pump out to the body. Secondly, the heart might not muster enough force to pump blood out to the rest of the body effectively. Picture a small child trying to push a heavy door open. Even if they use all their strength, the door will only open a bit. In the same way, a failing heart can't generate enough force to push blood out to the rest of the body. So what causes the heart to weaken and fail? The most common culprits are coronary artery disease, high blood pressure, and diabetes. Coronary artery disease narrows the small blood vessels that supply blood and oxygen to the heart, making it harder for the heart to pump blood. High blood pressure means your heart has to work harder to pump blood, which can wear it out over time. Lastly, diabetes increases the risk of high blood pressure and coronary artery disease, which can lead to heart failure. In essence, heart failure is a condition where the heart cannot do its job properly. It's a progressive condition that affects the heart's ability to pump blood, often leading to symptoms like shortness of breath, fatigue, and swelling in the legs, ankles, and feet. Understanding the process of heart failure is a vital step in learning how to prevent and manage it. So, we've learned quite a bit about heart failure today, haven't we? We started by unraveling the mystery behind it. We learned that heart failure is a condition where the heart can't pump blood as well as it should, leading to a myriad of health complications. Next, we delved into the science of a beating heart, understanding the intricate functioning of our body's most vital organ. We saw how each heartbeat is a symphony of electrical signals and muscle contractions, all coordinated to keep us alive and kicking. Then, we explored the process of heart failure, learning about the factors that can lead to this condition, from high blood pressure to coronary artery disease. We saw how heart failure isn't a sudden event, but a gradual process that can be managed with the right care and lifestyle changes. With knowledge comes power, the power to prevent and manage heart failure. Remember to share this video with your friends and family, and subscribe to Science and Technology for more insightful videos. Thanks for watching.